Hello everyone, my name is Belly and today I will tell you about whales, guardians of the climate, presented by Billy. So today the whales are very interesting that there are lots of information about them that you need to know. Also, whales can do a lot of things, can do lots of jobs, but nowadays they are endangered, so we need to protect them. So now, move on to the sizes of the whales. Also, what can they do for the nature? Also, how can we do to protect them? And what are the threats they have met in the nature, right? So first, move on to the sizes of whales, nature's genes. So whales, the largest animals on Earth, can reach lengths of up to 30 meters and weigh as much as 180 tons. So the whales are very large. They are the largest animals on Earth. They are larger than lions, tigers, and also some very big animals like elephants, leopards. So these are very big animals, but the whales are the biggest. The whales are the largest, and they are larger than the other animals because they can reach length of up to 30 meters, like about 5 cars or 10 cars. Because I think that some cars only reach lengths of up to 3 meters, but this is a whale. They reach lengths of up to 3 meters and weigh as much as 180 tons. That means a lot of elephants. As I know, I think that the elephant only weighs as 5 tons, but here the whale's 180 tons, right? They are very large. So we need 35 elephants to weigh as the whales. Second, the remarkable intelligence of whales. So whales are very smart animals. They can work together, help each other, and talk to one another using special sounds. So this shows that whales have strong social skills and good communication. So, the art of whale communication. So, whales make many different sounds like songs and clicks to talk to each other. They need these sounds to help them find the way, catch food, and stay close with their families. Each kind of whale has its own special sounds, so this shows that whales are very smart and have strong feelings. So, this is the video of the whales, and then you can see they are swimming. Maybe they are using sound like songs and clicks to talk to each other, and I think they need these sounds to help them find the way, right? Because the eyes of the whales are not good. They need to use the sounds. They need to use their noses to find a way to catch food and stay close with their families, to stay close with the other whales. Each kind of whales had its own special sounds. So the others, this whale can use this sound, the other whale can use the other sound. So that is the art of whale communication. Next is structures of whales. So whales usually travels in groups called pods, like the other animals. Some mammals, they travel in pods. They travel in groups. For example, as I know, is our lions. They travel in groups called pods. About 10 or 20 lions in one group, and the another groups have 10 or 20 lions. So yeah, the whales are like that. The whales are like the lions, but one is big, but one lives underwater, one don't live in water. So these are the different of some animals. Also, they care for each other and have strong family bonds. They use communication to talk, stay safe, and work together. And some whale groups have ladders and special roles, and the whales often work as a team when hunting, which helps them survive. So these are the social structures of whales. They are very important in the future. The whales can use these. For example, when they have any dangerous animals attack them, they can whales travel in groups called pods, and yeah, they travel in groups and then they can attack again that animal. So these are the advantages of traveling in groups. So these are the social structures of whales. Also, they care for each other, they care for each other. If someone is died or something, they will care for them. They will find the another whales. Maybe I think that I don't know much about whales, but I think this is a very important kind of social structures of whales. So next, Whales, the nature's vital ecosystem engineers. So when whales die and sink, they create rich habitats to support diverse marine life, promoting biodiversity in the deep sea. So nowadays, like when the whales die and sink, they create rich habitats that support diverse marine life, promoting biodiversity in the deep sea. So do you know that what rich habitats is? That is like the carbon dioxide for the phytoplanktons, the plants in the ocean for them. So also when the whales die and sink, their carbon dioxide stays trapped in the body for centuries, and then the phytoplanktons, as I know, may eat that, and the phytoplankton will be the food for the other animals, so that will be the food chain for every animal under the ocean. So do you think that whales are very important? I think whales are very important because they provide the carbon dioxide, also provide the carbon dioxide, provide the food for the phytoplankton, a very important plant under the sea and the deep sea. And next is whale dynamics. So as I say to you that what's up, can do lots of charts, and now move on one by one to the another part is whale dynamics. So whales have three main things that can help the ocean. First is nutrient distribution. So whales help keep the ocean healthy. When they eat deep underwater and then come up to the surface, they bring important nutrients with them. These nutrients help tiny ocean plants called phytoplanktons and many other sea animals grow. So whales play a big role in keeping ocean life strong and balanced. So when the whales eat, they will have the nutrients in the body. When they come up to the surface, they bring that important nutrient with them, and then these nutrients can help the phytoplanktons and how other sea animals like sharks or something. So whales play a very big role in keeping ocean life strong and balanced. Second is carbon sequestration. Because whales are so big, they cannot protect the earth. When whales die, the body sinks into the bottom of the ocean and keep lots of carbon trapped there for centuries. So this helps reduce the amount of carbon in the air and slows down climate change. So whales are important helpers for our planet. So as we do that, we need to protect them, and then I will go on to that. But now I will talk about the third thing. So main things of the whale advantages is marine ecosystem health. So whales help keep the ocean healthy. While whales are strong and safe, many other ocean animals can live and grow too. They help the ocean stay balanced, which makes it easier for sea to survive changes in the environment like climate change. So whales help many different animals share the ocean safely. So that is these are the very good advantages of the whales to the nature, also the marine life of some animals. So of some marine animals. So what? There is a threat to whales, so we need to know them, right? So threats to whales, there are three main is climate change, pollution, and overfishing. So as the ocean gets warmer, whales have trouble following the normal travel paths. This makes it hard for them to find food and safe places to have babies. So these changes can hurt whales and the ocean animals that depend on them. So pollution, plastic and harmful chemicals in the ocean can make whales very sick. These dangerous things can stop whales from having healthy babies and even cause some whales to die. So keeping the ocean clean helps protect whales. And last is overfishing. Overfishing reduces prey availability for whales, disrupting the food supply chains and causing detrimental impacts on the populations and overall marine health. So these are three main threats to whales. These are very important threats to whales because the climate change will also affect the people. Pollution also affect the people, also the other animals, and overfishing is the last main threat to whale. So nowadays there are also the other marine animals that are overfishing, so we need to protect the marine animals that overfishing is the other food, but aren't so that overfishing over that animal, right? So climate change impacts on whales being. So habitat, loss of natural habitat leads to displacement, prey, increased food availability affects whale population significantly, and stress, increased environmental stressors cause health issues in whales. So the dangers of pollution impact on whale health and survival. So harmful metals can build up inside whale's body and make them sick. Plastic wrap around whales or get eaten by them, which is very dangerous. Chemicals in the water can confuse whales' bodies and stop them from growing or having healthy babies. Nonsense from sheep makes it hard for whales to talk to each other, and changes in the ocean like more acid in the water can harm the small animals whales need to eat. So conservation efforts to first whales, marine protected areas. These areas habitat whale habitats effectively anti-whaling campaigns. Global efforts aim to stop whaling practices and plastic reduction, reduce the planet's waste, safeguards marine environments. So, trying to find to save whales and oceans, participating in local cleanups and spreading awareness can greatly to contribute to protect our ocean, lands, and the habitats around